Hello everyone, this is Sari from Techwithking. In previous video I already show you how you can make a bootable DVD. Now in this video I gonna be showing you how you can make a bootable pen drive. So let's get started. You need a pen drive, minimum 4 GB. Second, you need a software that name is Universal USB installer, and second a Windows 7. Both the links are in the description. Connect your pen drive to your PC. After connecting, you have to open a software USB installer. You have to click on I agree. There are a lot of OS they are showing, but you have to click what you have to install. Here I am installing Windows 7, so I select on Windows 7 installer. Then I have to select my Windows ISO file, click on open. Then you have to select your pen drive, then click to create. They show you the setup, then you have to click to yes. They started. So we successfully make our pen drive into a bootable pen drive. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video and like this video. If you had any doubt or question, please comment down below.